We've always been at the top of the technology pyramid throughout our 25 years in history, always dealing with the latest sensors available, always pushing the limits with optics and integration. We have an experience base, a team of scientists and engineers here who have touched and been involved with a lot of technology in bigger companies, and being a smaller company dedicated to quality, dedicated to innovation, we're able to deliver a high level of capability. Sierra-Olympic is pursuing two major market demands right now. The first market demand is smaller sensors, just lighter weight, lower volume sensors, more pixels, more resolution. And customers want more flavors of those high resolution sensors, and that's mostly surrounding new processors in AI and machine learning, all to add more capability to the overall system.